Today, I'm putting DeepSeek AI to the test to see if I can actually delete errors from my consumer report. Let's find out if this tech can really do the job. When it comes to applying for credit or loans, your consumer report plays a crucial role in determining your eligibility and interest rates. It's a comprehensive document that summarizes your credit history, and even the slightest inaccuracy can have a significant impact on your financial life. That's why it's essential to ensure that your report is accurate and up to date. Have you ever discovered an error on your consumer report and felt frustrated, not knowing where to turn or what to do? You're not alone. Many people face similar challenges when they find mistakes on their reports, and it can be a daunting task to get them corrected. Not only does it waste your time, but it can also lead to rejected loan applications, higher interest rates, and even damaged credit scores. The uncertainty and helplessness can be overwhelming, leaving you feeling like you're at the mercy of the credit bureaus. The process of disputing errors can be lengthy and complicated, requiring a lot of paperwork, phone calls, and follow-ups. It's no wonder that many people give up, assuming that it's just a lost cause. The emotional toll of dealing with these errors can be significant, leading to feelings of anxiety, frustration, and even depression. Imagine having to deal with multiple errors on your report, each one requiring a separate dispute process. It's like navigating a complex maze with no clear exit. The lack of transparency and accountability from the credit bureaus only adds to the frustration, making it seem like they're more interested in protecting their own interests than helping consumers. It's a system that's often stacked against you, leaving you feeling powerless and trapped. DeepSeek AI is a game changer in the world of consumer finance. This cutting-edge technology uses advanced algorithms to identify and potentially remove errors from your consumer report, giving you the power to take control of your financial life. By analyzing your report and identifying discrepancies, DeepSeek AI provides a comprehensive and accurate picture of your credit history. Its sophisticated methods can detect even the smallest errors, allowing you to challenge and correct them with confidence. With DeepSeek AI, you're no longer at the mercy of the credit bureaus. You're in the driver's seat. The technology behind DeepSeek AI is impressive. Utilizing machine learning and natural language processing to sift through vast amounts of data and identify patterns and anomalies. This means that it can detect errors that might be overlooked by human analysts, providing an unparalleled level of accuracy and precision. By leveraging the power of AI, DeepSeek AI is able to streamline the dispute process, saving you time and effort. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive design, you can easily navigate the system and get the results you need. I'd like to share a remarkable success story of someone who used DeepSeek AI to correct errors on their report. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah had been struggling with multiple errors on her report for months, and despite her best efforts, she couldn't get them corrected. That was until she discovered DeepSeek AI. With its help, she was able to identify and dispute the errors, and within a few weeks, her report was updated and her credit score improved significantly. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of DeepSeek AI and its ability to empower consumers. In today's digital age, it's essential to have an accurate consumer report, and DeepSeek AI is a powerful tool in achieving that. By leveraging AI technology, you can take control of your financial life, correct errors, and improve your credit score. Remember, your consumer report is a critical component of your financial health, and it's up to you to ensure its accuracy. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with consumer reports and credit errors in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about consumer finance tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos.